Wishing for a new water heater, but worry about the cost? Worry no more. With Fuse, you can always find a water heater that fits your needs and budget. Let's explain the installation options, review the warranty, discovery, why we are #1 contractor in San Jose, California. First on the list, done by the licensed contractor, Fuse Service. We will replace your water heater with a brand new efficient model for the price starting $1,800. Our fully licensed and professional plumber will make sure your water heater is installed flawlessly at the first time. In addition to the service that complies with all local laws and regulations, you'll get 10-year warranty with labor and 6-year warranty from the manufacturer. And the best part, if repair covered by the labor warranty is not completed within 24 hours, we'll replace it for free. Summarizing the option #1, best option for the water heater installation, up to 10-year warranty, professional and insured technician, free replacement if the repair is not completed within 24 hours. Second on our list is installation done by unlicensed handyman. The option might come a little bit cheaper, which prices range it at $1,300. But saving a bit, does it really worth the risk? There are many risks involved when hiring an unlicensed contractor. They don't usually have any insurance, so if something happens at the work site, you will be paying for medical expenses. Moreover, there is a high chance of getting a worried warranty from a handyman. Finally, the possibility that job won't be done correctly is really high as well. And this may cost you enormous amount of money in the future. The last possibility we will discuss today is DIY installation. If you're a professional plumber, this wouldn't be a problem for you. However, if you don't have the necessary qualifications, there may be many issues with DIY installation. Sure, you have saved some money, but if you never installed once before, this might be a lot of things may go wrong. Pipe and tank must be installed in a particular way. If they are not, the best case scenario that your water heater will not even function properly. The worst case scenario, it could be resulting of $1,000 in property damage and a threat to your property and your family and your health. This option, probably the riskiest option of those three, but the most budget friendly. Actually, you may spend under $1,000 on a whole installation. Now you can see with Fuse, you're choosing professionalism and lasting peace of mind. But don't just take our word for it. Countless happy customers have trusted us with their water heater installation and shared their positive experiences on Google and Yelp. Check our reviews to see if Fuse is the top choice for so many clients and customers. Learn about our services at fuseservice.com or schedule a free estimate via link in the description. We cannot wait to make you happier.